What's up, guys? This is my other video, green light. So this is my shoe collection, some of it, because I couldn't fit all of them on the counter. So okay, first boot is Tim's. Pretty good shape. I like it. Fake. I don't wear fake shoes. Tim sign. Yep. This first shoe. Tim. Luke. Hey. For next shoe. LeBron's Spider-Man. Guessing. Yeah, these are the Spider-Man. Yep. I like them. I wear them basketball a lot. Run in, play basketball in, Spider-Man, LeBron's. I don't like LeBron that much, but I wear his shoes. Next